Hey, Seth Bagwell here with the transfer admissions team here at Georgia Tech. I just want to quickly talk to you today about your course requirements when it comes to your pathway. So awesome that you've been offered a pathway here at Georgia Tech. It's an awesome opportunity to transfer, but you're going to want to specifically pay attention to those course requirements by your major. We have a great tool on our website. It's our course requirements chart. And on that, you're going to see the specific course requirements that you need to complete prior to coming to Georgia Tech for your major. Now, all majors at Georgia Tech require at least 3 course requirements. That's going to be English 1, English 2, and Calculus 1. So each of your majors is going to have a specific course requirement outside of those 3 I just mentioned. For instance, if you're looking to be an aerospace engineer here at Georgia Tech, you're going to need to take those 3 courses, English 1, English 2, and Calculus 1, along with Calculus 2, Chemistry 1, and Physics prior to coming to Georgia Tech. Now, you may notice that your major has it checked off that you need a lab science elective. What that means is that you need to take a lab science elective, which we consider to be a science that has a lecture and lab component, typically 4 semester credits. And that can be in any of the natural sciences, biology, chemistry, physics, and some earth and atmospheric sciences are included in that as well. The best place to check to make sure if you're taking the right courses is on the course requirements chart and using our transfer equivalency table as well. So if you're looking at the chart and you see that you have a lab science elective required as one of your course requirements, if you see 2 boxes in that column, that represents 2 separate lab science courses. That's not the lecture in the lab. Those are 2 lectures and 2 labs. So you would need to take 2 lab science electives. Now you could take any 2 lab sciences that you would like if you have 2 boxes in that column. You could take Chemistry 1 and Physics 1, or Biology 1 and Physics 1, however you want to do it. Now that's only if you have a slash in that column where the sequence is optional. If you don't have a slash in that column and you still see 2 boxes in the lab science elective column, that means you can take any subject that you would like, but you need to take a sequence within that subject. For instance, you could take Biology 1 and Biology 2, or Chemistry 1 and Chemistry 2. Now, if your major shows a required science course, for instance, Physics 1 is checked off, and you have a box in the lab science elective column, you need to take the Physics 1, and then an additional lab science, any that you would like, Chemistry 1, Biology 1, however you want to do it. But those are 2 separate courses. So to access these resources, I would check out the description below and you'll find a link to the course requirements chart and also the transfer equivalency table. So this is very, very important that you're meeting those course requirements prior to the course requirement deadline of your application term. For most of our pathway students, that deadline is going to be June 1st. So make sure that you're meeting all those requirements prior to June 1st. It's really important that you get those scheduled when you're getting ready to jump into your institution prior to transferring to Georgia Tech, that you have those course requirements completed. So if you haven't met the course requirements, instead of being reviewed as a pathway student, you're actually going to be reviewed as a regular transfer student within our holistic review process with our other regular transfer students. So the best option for you is to get those course requirements met and then apply for the next term after you have those course requirements met. Another big question we get asked about course requirements is, can I use my AP or my dual enrollment credits to meet those course requirements? The answer to that question is yes, you can. You can use your AP credits and dual enrollment credits to meet those course requirements. So if you took the Calculus BC exam, you got a 5, and your current institution gave you Calculus 1 and 2 from that AP exam, you would have met the Calculus 1 and 2 AP requirement here at Georgia Tech. So those are the course requirements. If you have any more questions about those, feel free to shoot us an email at our office or stop by.